Hi everyone, this is Ersh Guzman and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this video, we are going to talk about the Primavera calendars. Here we are going to describe or define the calendar. So first off, let's talk about the three categories for calendars in Primavera. One, we have the global calendar. Second, we have the project calendar. And lastly, we have the resource calendar. So what are the differences of these three categories of Primavera calendars? For global calendars are available to all the projects and resources. Global calendar covers all the project. It can be used by all the projects and resources loaded in Primavera database. For project calendar, these calendars are only available to the projects that they are created in. This type of calendar, the project calendar, it can only be created for a project when that specific project is open. So that's the difference between global and project. Global, again, it covers all of the projects and resources, while the project calendar, it covers only the one specific project. And lastly, for the resource calendar, a resource calendar has two types. One is personal resource calendar, and second is the shared resource calendar. Personal resource calendar is created for a specific individual resource, while the shared resource calendar, it can be assigned to one or more resources, which in turn may be assigned to an activity in any project. So in terms of the coverage or the sizes of these calendars, global is the biggest one because it covers everything, all the projects, all the resources. It can be used with several projects at once. Project calendars are only available to the projects that they are created in. Resource calendars is the smallest scope. It can only be used with the specific resource or specific activity. And again, it has two types, the personal and the shared. Now, to find the calendars here in our Primavera database, just go to Enterprise, click this, and then here is our calendar, click this. So as you can see, the three categories of calendars which we have just discussed, the global, resource, project. So these are the calendars available here in our database, and this is our default. It has been checked. This is our default calendar. So this is under the global, and we have here resource calendars and the project calendar here. So let's close this. Okay. Here in our Gantt chart, you can see this gray color here. These are the non-working days. And all the white is the working days. As you can see here, this is Saturday and Sunday. Mondays to Fridays are white. So these are the working days. So these are the assigned working days and non-working days in the calendar. For the next videos, we will try to create a project calendar. Take note that it is not possible for users to apply different non-work periods for different projects or views, like other scheduling software packages, without affecting all other projects in a database. So this can become a problem with other projects that have different work periods. Let's say, for example, other projects needs to have a Mondays to Saturdays working days, while others are just Mondays to Fridays. So this issue can be solved by creating another database with a different default calendar. Like the other Primavera elements, calendars can also be copied, can also be edited, and can also be deleted. Again, here, the enterprise calendars here. You can modify it, you can delete it, and you can add a new calendar here in our calendar form. So these calendars can be open or can be accessed. And additional notes for these global resource and project calendars. Global and resource calendars can be open or can be accessed with or without any projects open. This global and resource, while the project calendar, it can be only copied, can be only edited or deleted when the project has been opened, when this specific project is open. So to list or to create or to edit or to copy more than one existing calendar in the project or a project calendar at the same time, we must open all the projects at once.